In this video, I will show you how to add transition in Adobe After Effects. Here we have two layers of different media. I will add here another layer where I will put our transition. The kind of transition will depend on how you want it. I will adjust the new layer here by going to Layer and click on New, and then click on Adjustment Layer. And I will select from the effects and presets here by just dragging it to the layer. We tried a simple transition, which is the black and white transition. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!